Welcome to Art of Sales. I am Raman Baba. How does one get ready for meeting with a client? First step is preparing for that meeting. This step is often ignored, but it is the most vital one. We normally tend to fret thinking about meeting when this aspect can easily be taken care of. If you're better prepared, you will get better result. So what should you do as soon as you receive a confirmation about meeting with the client? Always remember that your first impression is the last impression, so make it the best one. Follow these steps for productive preparation. First step is to prepare your introduction. This means how would you announce yourself when you come face to face with a client? How would you describe the purpose of coming to the meeting? Essentially, how would you start a conversation? No rocket science here. Start with greeting the client, telling them your name and name of company you represent. What is required here is nothing but loads of confidence. So if you don't have confidence about it, practice at home in front of a mirror. Then comes working on your mannerism. This means how would you shake his hands? How and when will you sit? Another important step is to prepare questions which you will raise to understand your client better. I have always stated a sale will happen only when a client identifies a need which your product can satisfy. So how will you recognize the client's need? For this, you will have to prepare a set of questions. These questions may relate to activities of the client company, like it may relate to its manufacturing process, or it may relate to general well-being of employees of the company. It depends upon the product or service that you're offering. Third is to prepare the script about your product or service. How will you describe your product or service? How will you relate it to the need of the client that the client has just described? How would you compare it to competitor product which is there in the market? What is the price of the product and to what extent are you ready to negotiate? What is your delivery time? Find answers to all these questions. Fourth is to mark introduction of sales tools like product presentations. When at what time you will ask the client to view your product or service presentation. Is the presentation informative and does it cover all aspects? How good is your delivery of presentation? Practice delivering it at home first. Prepare for any question which client may ask you. Prepare answers to all these questions and practice the answers. You will see if you are better prepared, the results will also be better. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it and subscribe to Being Intelli YouTube channel.